silly shit. Stand off the internet. Share the stage with Billy Eilish. Turn any given time. Personal problems still a talking, cause I got this without it. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to used to be, this shit sleep divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the vibe. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know all the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I coach her. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, all the time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall, hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign the deal. Over buying cars, I snatch.
So it's much later in the day, and I want to head. So on today's to-do list, we're going to go to town and pick some packages, and then come back, unbox the packages, we cook samosas, we go grocery shopping, and then we come back and we prep for the week. So that's what we're going to do. So right now, I'm getting ready to go outside. I did my hair in the morning and a little bit of makeup. Let me say, just my eyelashes on. I put mascara on my lashes and then a little bit of blush and concealer. So right now, oh my god, who is biting me? So I want to dress up. Okay, the hair concealer and blush video is on TikTok right now. I posted it there, so you can go and watch it. But right now I want to do an outfit check for TikTok as well. But I'm going to show you what I'll wear, and then I'll see you when I head out. I'm on my way out. Let's go and pick my packages.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she's too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown.
Hey guys, so I'm back from town and I wanted to show you the things that I got. So the first thing I got was Puma's leash. Hii ni package ya Jumia. It just arrived like yesterday. So leash ya Puma inakaa hivi. So hii part unafunga kwa shingo, hii kwa mgongo, then iko na hii long leash yenye unatumia kumguide and stuff. So this one was like 600 bob from Jumia, and everything I'm going to list below ni presents. It's called presents. So sikujibaya. Anyway, another thing I got was this headbands. Hizi nimebuy sahi from Best Lady town. So nimevaa moja, this blue one, baby blue one, and I have this baby pink one. Easy, they'll help me when I want to do my skincare. I'ma keep my hair off my face. So yeah, that's when I buy. And the last thing I got was this mic. Now, as you can see, Natumia one of them. These are wireless microphones from Jumia. They were like 1500 bob. So they come two of them, and this thing that you plug to the phone. I'll insert a clip how you go around this mic, but it's nice for like iPhone users because and mostly if you struggle with sound. Najua nimekuwa nikistruggle na sound sana. Finally over, now we'll be getting quality videos. So yeah, that's all I got. So right now I want to start meal prepping as I told you, na pia kwenda grocery shopping. Bye. Hey guys, let's unbox this wireless microphone that I ordered from Jumia the other day for 1,400 bucks. So as a YouTuber, I've been struggling with my sound for the past few months, and I decided to invest in good quality sound. So this microphone comes with 2 microphone transmitters, Type-C receiver, and a charging cable. So here is the charging cable and it's Type-C. Okay, this is the manual where you're given like instructions on how to use the microphone. And then we have now the microphone transmitter. There are 2, and they have a place where you can like attach your cloth when you're filming, and this on and off button. So as I said, there are 2, and this is best for people who have like podcast or you're filming 2 people at the same time. So this is the Type-C transmitter, and as you can see, I'm taking off the wraps. And this one, you connect it directly to your phone, iOS that is, and it's going to help you transmit your sound from the microphone to your phone directly. So this is how they both look together. So I'm going to show you how you connect the Type-C transmitter to your phone and make it work. So first you plug it in, and then you take your microphone, you long press on the on and off button, and then you see a green light. That's an indication that it has connected and ready to work. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Till next time, bye. So guys, sasa hii nataka kutoka. I want to go and get groceries. After I'm done, nikishachukua hizo vitu zote nitakuja we unbox pamoja, not unbox, we unpack pamoja, and then we get right into cooking. So let me rush. I won't take you guys with me tafadhali. I'll just rush and come back. So, okay. Nishamaliza grocery shopping. Nimetoka kwa soko. I want to show you things I got. I really hope nilichukua kila kitu. I really doubt kama nilibuy kila kitu. Something me tells me sikubuy kila kitu. I want to get my lip gloss. Okay, like we had a lot of things at home, so nilikuwa tunaongezea stuff zingine juu kiasi. So I want to show you that. Then clean niweke kwa fridge, alafu tuanze kupika. It's currently sijui kama mnaweza ona, natumia front camera, saa 12:05. I have to cook chapati, malizia ku prep samosas, na nipike stew. I really don't know at what time I'll finish. That's why like nataka kuhakikisha niwaonyeshe mbio alafu nianze kazi. I don't know at what time I'll finish, but I really hope nimalize on time. But uzuri niko kwa nyumba and I'm doing nothing, so it's hard to. So I want to show you the things I got. Ndo hizi zote. So hizi tu ni basic zenye I needed to cook. So the first thing I got carrots. Then I got oh my god, Puma is making a lot of noise. Puma toka. I got hizi ni hoho na dania. And then I got what? Let's see, Puma. Let me vlog, mama. I know you love playing with this. Anyway, and then I got spring onions for samosas. Ma, I need to unpack. Puma, move, tafadhali. I'ma lock you in the room. Do you want me to lock you in the room? Ndio kucheza. Ingia hapo. And then I got warus, and then I got tomatoes. Tuko na tomatoes kwa nyuma, but I just felt the need kuongeza because I cook a lot. And then I got onions. Niko na a lot of onions kwa nyumba, but still niliongeza because I cook with a lot of onions. So ni hivyo, then nataka nizi clean niziweke kwa fridge, alafu tufanya nini? Tuanze kupika.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July.
So nishamaliza kuweka stuffs away. Now I want to start cooking. I want to make the chapati dough and the samosa dough. So yeah, I'll not show everything. I'll just do it, then I'll show you what I put in. Sawa. So that is what we are going to do now.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. We can reach away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sitting right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your lover, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? No, I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely, and as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours, but you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
Hey guys, okay, I'm so tired. It's currently saa 2:30. I'm done cooking. That's it for tonight. I did make samosa wraps, cooked chapati, and now the stew is cooking. But I'm not going to show you everything. Nijua tu nishamaliza kufika. But I want to close off this vlog there. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. And the reason why I was meal prepping like this tonight is because I'll be traveling home for the weekend, so I can't live like that. You get anyway. Yeah, so I want to thank you for watching my vlog to this point. I'll see you in the next vlog. So bye.